That's right. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
I really hope Series 12 is not the end. I've been collecting since Series 1, and I would hate for this collection to stop.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and I'm with my Tsum Tsum-tastic assistant.
And Tubey.
Can you say hello, Tubey?
Hello, I'm Tubey.
Hey guys, we are super excited to show you the Mickey Through the Years film reel featuring, oh my gosh, all of these amazing Mickey themed Tsum Tsums, from Brave Little Tailor to Steamboat Willie to all of these amazing Mickey costumes representing 90 years of his life with us. We're so super excited. And we also have Series 12 film reel, mystery packs, and we have this Infinity Gauntlet that I never unboxed for you guys, so I wanted to show you guys. Let's get started. Why don't we start with the blind bags first?
Yeah, I want to open up the blind bags too.
Yes, because I'm sure some people want to see the blind bags and some people want to see this, but let's do this first. So there are 8 to collect in all. There's a chance to get the golden Mickey. We actually already have this. It came in a set that I think we already gave away in a giveaway, but this is from Series 1 where they just repainted it gold. This is ultra super lucky, so you can get the invisible Cheshire Cat, which is so amazing. I'm just like blown away. They have Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. We have Stitch on a record player. We have Aurora in a bed. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. His head is going through a drum, like a bass drum. Then we have Mickey Fantasia, and we have Steamboat Willie.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of these are redos. So Mickey Fantasia, this looks like the book from Goofy when it says when he's going fishing. Stitch looks like Woody's record player.
Yeah.
Princess Aurora is Marie's bed, like identical, right? It's just a repaint.
Yeah.
And then the Cheshire Cat, this looks similar to something. I can't quite remember.
Oh, maybe it was Stitch's. No, it was the same stack pack but in pink.
Yeah, well, his stack pack's a little bit different. All right, let's just open it up. I only have 10 to open. Since there are 8 to collect, I felt a lot of them, hoping that we get the full set this time around. So let me get a scissor. I didn't get one of those. Guys, while I'm getting a scissor, can you do me a favor and just hit that like button? Please subscribe to Tubey Toys by clicking that big red subscribe button. Or if you're on YouTube Kids, make sure you click that red gem and turn that red gem green. Once you turn it green, you're totally subscribed and you're going to be having so much fun with us. We have plenty of giveaways. We have lots of fun on our channel. We really want you to join us. So we love Disney also. So let me go get a scissor. And Tubey, why don't you tell them about our channel?
Oh yeah. So we do have lots of giveaways, but I just need to tell you something about today. I worked really hard on my soccer team, and today was my last day, so I got a medal.
You should show him your medal.
Oh yeah, I'll take it off so I can show you guys.
Okay, he's super proud of himself. Look at this beautiful medal. Because he's a soccer star, right?
Yeah, and that's my cleats.
That's right, those are his cleats. Excellent. Good job, buddy. We're super proud of you.
I know.
So let's get started and open this up. Okay, who do you think it's gonna be?
I hope it's the Cheshire Cat or the Mickey on Airplane or Fantasia Mickey.
I think it's Sally, from way it feels. You ready? I was right! Oh my gosh, and look, this is so cute. This is the picnic basket that she brings.
We have Sally's slippers.
Well, isn't this the basket that she brings to Jack?
Yeah, that's definitely, yeah.
Isn't that so cute?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, awesome. So here is Sally. She has the picnic basket with the food that she brought to Jack. I just think it's funny that she's giving Jack fish. Wait, like fish bones? Does this come out? No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it does come out. You can take it out. That's cool. So you can actually have a picnic with her. And Jack Skellington. Super cute. Yeah, these are all by Jakks Pacific, but that Infinity Gauntlet set is a GameStop exclusive. So we have beautiful Sally, and I would love to see pictures of them when they were alive. Has anybody ever seen those or made any fan art for that? I wonder. Okay, let's see who's in the next one. Now, again, these are film reels. This is commemorating the history of Disney in film. So they have all of these amazing movies that have done well. And I wonder if this is going to be a recurring theme. So we have Alice in Wonderland, Nightmare Before Christmas, Lilo and Stitch, Sleeping Beauty. This is not a film, but it's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Or I'm sorry, Mickey Mouse Club, which is the originator of, they had like a bunch of kids singing and dancing. Then we have Mickey's Fantasia, which was just a powerhouse film. And we also have Mickey in Playing Crazy.
Yeah.
And this is also commemorating his history in film and television. So I think this is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Or Mickey Mouse Club, I should say, not Clubhouse. It is! Oh my gosh, this is a Mickey Mouse Club. So, do you know the words? MICKEYMOUSE, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. We don't know the word. Oh, wait, we have a collector's guide. Wait, hold on, let's look at this first. How cute is this? It looks like a bass drum, but I don't think it is. This is so cute. So he's actually wearing the same thing that we're gonna see in the film reel. He's wearing this like marching band outfit, and he is in, yeah, I think it is a bass drum. Look how cute. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love this. And this was super easy to feel out. Let's take a look at this Series 12 checklist. It's quite light, and it really is commemorating the 90th birthday.
There's some Tsum Tsums on the bottom.
Oh, how cute. Look how tiny this is.
You could get Scary Teddy.
Oh, look at Randall. Yeah. Oh my gosh, camouflage Randall. And look, there's a Cheshire Cat invisible. So we have Minnie in her blue dress. That's a new one. And she is Lucky. We have Donald, Snow White, Figaro, Lucifer, Invisible Cheshire Cat, which is super lucky. We have Tramp, Princess Aurora in her blue dress, Tigger, Mrs. Potts, Sally, Oogie Boogie, Vampire Teddy. Oh wow, then that was an exclusive in another set. That was a Walgreens exclusive, or the one from
camouflage to wear.
Well, Alien and Medium, Randall, which is new camouflage, Stitch, Darla, Olaf, and Go-Go. Okay, how cool. And this is the Mickey True Original set. Steamboat Willie. So we have this set right here.
Yes.
Okay, but they also have metallic, Silver Mickey, and Gold Mickey. Oh my gosh, Mickey's Christmas Carol, which we have from that set, that Target exclusive.
Yeah, we have all of those figures except for the ultra rares.
That's right. Oh my gosh, so cool.
Yeah.
I really hope Series 12 is not the end of the Tsum Tsuming, because we have been collecting since Series 1, and I would hate for this collection to stop. Okay, let's hope this is either Plain Crazy or
Fantasia Mickey.
Okay. It's Plain Crazy! Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, I thought this Plain Crazy one was actually like a redo from the Tsum Tsum Advent Calendar, but it's actually not. Because in the Tsum Tsum Advent Calendar, they did come out with like a propeller plane, but this is actually quite nice. It's a pretty big plane, and you have a lot to put together in this one.
I think I can put together.
You want to try? I think it's awesome though that they, look at this. It's exactly like it. Amazing. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. There is a Plain Crazy Tsum Tsum in the real set, but you don't get this super cool propeller plane. How cute is that? And look, can you make the propeller spin?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. It smells like Tsum Tsums, guys.
Oh, it smells like Tsum Tsum. Okay, make the propeller go. Oh, cool.
It smells. And now let's make them fly.
And whee! Here we go. This is so cool. I think he's a really, really cool mystery pack.
Yeah.
So far, so good, guys.
Yeah, no duplicates so
Yes,
far.
well, we probably will get some duplicates because I did get 10. Okay, this is a big chunky one. So I thought this one was going to be either the Cheshire Cat
or this one.
Well,
or
I think
this
it's.
one again.
I really think it's a Cheshire Cat though, and I really hope it is.
Cheshire
It is, and look, we got the translucent Cheshire Cat. This is a really super lucky one.
There's lots
Oh wow,
of
this
new
is really cool. Look.
Yeah, and there's not much new ones in this series.
Oh wow, look at this.
Now let's make them glow.
I'm gonna make him glow. Watch this. Hold on. Oh, cool. That is so cool.
Yeah. He's turning blue.
He doesn't glow in the dark or anything, but he is translucent, which is so super fun. Okie dokie, we need 4 more to go.
4 more to go?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, we got Princess Aurora in her blue dress, and she is in her bed, which she's sleeping in. Oh my goodness, let's get her resting in there.
Yeah, we only need 3 more now.
Oh, well, she's resting inside. Well, she's not resting, she's sleeping under a spell. But I'm so glad they included her in the blue dress.
Yeah. Now we only need 3 because there's 4 and now 5.
Yes, beautiful. Let's see who this one is. This is a big chunky one, and I'm thinking this one is Mickey Fantasia. What do you think?
I really hope it's Mickey Fantasia.
And it's Mickey Fantasia! Woohoo! This is awesome.
Yeah.
So they included the book from Fantasia. Let's see what's on there. Oh my gosh, it's so super cool. Now let's take out Fantasia Mickey. He's so cute.
He goes on the bottom.
Look how cute. He goes on the bottom?
No.
He should go on the top.
Yeah, he goes on the top.
OMG. Look how cute this is, guys. Look at the detail. The roping around his robe. The knot around the robe. And his hat with the stars and the crescent moon. This is so cute. Okie dokie. Let's see. This one feels like Aurora. I'm gonna put this one to the side. And this one feels like Stitch.
We only need one more.
No. We need Stitch. There's Stitch. And we need the golden Mickey. Here is Stitch and his record player. Now, a lot of these, Stitch already had his release of a stack pack. He had the rocket, but they gave him this record player.
Yeah,
do you know why? What does he play on the record player?
On the Hawaiian music when he's like that guy.
Elvis?
Yeah.
Well, they should have had him dress as Elvis.
Oh yeah,
that would have been really cute.
Yeah, it would be really cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so
this one I feel like is Mickey Mouse Club.
No, because just open up all of them just to see.
Well, we are. I just wanted to try. I think this is Sally. We only need one more, guys. We need the golden Mickey. Oh, and it's Sally. Gotta go back in there.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get the full set.
I don't think so either. And I really felt around looking for him. Oh, see, that's Princess Aurora. We have one more to go. Is this the golden Mickey? Is it? Are we feeling super lucky? I mean, we already have it. But I like to find him in the bag, too. Oh, no. And it's Mickey Mouse Club. Bummer. It's okay, guys. Let's move on. Let me give you a close-up of the 7 of the 8. Cute. Let's open up the Gauntlet next. That's a really, really quick one, and it's a really cool one because Thanos' Gauntlet is a light-up one. It was for GameStop only. There's 6 pieces inside. It includes 3 small, 1 large, and 1 medium. This one's really awesome. I like this packaging too. So here we have a large Thanos, which I don't think we have a large Thanos.
No, we definitely don't.
And here is his Gauntlet, and look at this. Ready? The Infinity Stones light up. Even the one on his thumb. How crazy is that? So super cool.
You don't want to like break the life right now, Mom. So you might not want to press that like too many times because the battery might run out.
So we have Thor, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, and Hulk. Finally, let's move on to Mickey Through the Years. This is the film reel that includes all of these amazing Mickeys. We can keep it in the film reel if you don't want to take it out.
I want to take it out.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is a film reel exclusive to Target, and it includes, how many does it include?
Let me count.
It includes 10.
Oh,
10 Tsum Tsum. Okay, let's open it up. We could start with Steamboat Willie. So Steamboat Willie is 1928. And he is wearing his train conductor costume. Wait, no, not train conductor. What is it?
Boat conductor.
Boat conductor? Boat captain. He is wearing his boat captain costume or whatever. It's his little steamboat hat. So super cute. So this was his first appearance in 1928. Then let's move on to Plain Crazy. Band concert Mickey is 1935. Here he is. So cute. Look at that little tails in this coat. This is 1938. Our favorite, the brave little tailor.
Yeah, that's my dad's favorite book.
And mine too. And look, he has a little rucksack here. He has his tailor scissors. And it looks like he has little hearts or little kisses on his face because he saved the town from what? What did he save the town from?
From that giant.
From the giant. Very good. Here is Fantasia Mickey. So cute. That's from 1940. Moving on to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in 1955. Where is he? Here he is. He is wearing his marching band outfit. So cute. Now let's move on to 1983. This is my era, and this is my favorite Mickey. He is wearing his Bob Crotchet outfit. He's so cute. It's from 1983. That's the year that Marcello's daddy was born. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
And this is our favorite Christmas movie to watch. We actually watch it all year round. It's Christmas every day in our home.
Yeah.
Let's move on to 2004. Here is the Three Musketeers. And little Mickey Mouse is a mouseketeer here. And look, he has the French fleur-de-lis here. And he has the insignia also on the cape. His cute little hat. This is so cute.
That's Mickey as a mouseketeer.
We have Mickey's 90th birthday. And look, it says 90 years on the side. So you're not going to be able to find this anywhere else but in this set. He has a removable birthday hat. He is so cute. This is a great set to commemorate Mickey's 90 years. Here's our Tsum Tsum-tastic Tsum Tsum haul for Series 12 for Mickey's 90 years, and just to unbox the Infinity Gauntlet set. We are super excited to have Series 12. Finally, hooray, we finally got something that's within the time frame of it being released. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Hopefully we will find that golden Mickey in the blind bag soon.
Even though we have it.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.